Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Spaziale Lucca A53 here. So this machine had a problem with the safety valve. It was just stuck open, and so I replaced that with a brand new one. This is the old one that I took out. And I found that it also needed a new water level probe. The water level probe was leaking and looked quite damaged by most likely some mineral buildup, which is why I also gave the machine a tune-up. So I descaled both of the boilers in this machine and found a lot of mineral buildup in them. And I also replaced the gasket here and cleaned the screen. So you can see here's the part of the old gasket. It's pretty brittle. Usually these are very malleable. And then I back flushed the group head, deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, and took apart the portafilter and soaked that, and then just wiped down the whole machine. So I'm just going to test the coffee really quick. This is just our test coffee, so it may not come out as a perfect shot, but it's just to show you that the machine is working. So we can just stop it there. So here you can see some nice crema. And I'll show you this. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.